So proud. Take your time, turn out. That's pretty good. I like the steering control, the hand to hand, and you want to stay middle right. Doing fantastic. I think more instructors need to take clients into neighborhoods to really work on those steering fundamentals. Be scanning, you always want to look and check traffic and have good lane positioning. That is good. And sometimes beginners hug the right. You're gonna make a left turn at this street. So turn on blinker, squeeze your brake. Sometimes they go short in the turns. Good, try to keep it in the middle. That's it, nice. That's pretty good. Yeah, everyone has a different depth perception. We all view things differently. We should know our left and right. So I try to say one thing at a time. Squeeze brakes, nice. Go up more, keep going up a little bit more. Now turn the wheel. Now accelerate through. Good, much better in that lane positioning. Lane positioning, lane control, middle right, fantastic. I wave, just trying to be friendly. Turn on left turn signal. That was a good turn. Go up more, go up more. Now turn it, smooth and easy. Yes, yes sir. Woo, that was good. Good, and look where you want to go. Turn the wheel slow. Nice, you can look at the car and tell the angle's really good. Hey, that was a good turn. Good, a little bit more to the right, a little bit, perfect. We want to keep working consistency, like you're learning how to print your name, you're learning how to shoot a basketball. Go in slow, we're a little too fast. Squeeze the brake. Nice, go up more. Now turn your wheel, turn it. Good, that's it.